Hi, my name is Alexander and welcome to another video where I'll show you how to play arpeggios in C major scale. Arpeggios are chords played one note at a time. When you play arpeggios, you go through the first chord of a scale in all of its turns on the treble side. On the bass side, you do the same following the right side. Let's start with the right hand first. The first chord of the C major scale is C major. It's made of the notes C, E, and G. The fingers to use for this group are 1, 3, and 5. The next group is made of E, G, and C. Notice how the C went from here to here, and the E, that was the middle key in the first group, now becomes the first key. This is the basic logic of how these arpeggios work. Use fingers 1, 2, and 5 for the second group. The reason is because there is a bigger space between G and the C. The third group is G, C, and E. And the fingerings are 1, 3, and 5. The last group is C, E, and G again, the same as the first group in the beginning with 1, 3, and 5 fingering. Like the regular scale, you go in both directions. Once you reach the top, go backwards in the same order. You can also try to play a more advanced version with 4 fingers instead of 3. The point is to add one more key to the first 3. That will change the fingerings. The first group is 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 is the C, and you can see that we are repeating the first note only one octave higher. The second group is 1, 2, 4, 5. The third group is 1, 2, 3, 5. And the last group is the same as the first one, 1, 2, 3, 5. On the bass side, fingering is easy. Place the third finger on C, fourth finger on E, and second finger on G. Now you just follow the notes that you're playing on the right side. When your right hand is playing C, your left hand should also be playing C, etc. First group, second group, third group, last group, If you play the advanced version, the fingering is even easier. Same fingers, 3, 4, 2, but because you add one more note, that means 3, 4, 2, 3. So first group, second group, third group, and the last group. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or you need more help, please let me know in the comment section down below. See you next time.